Do you want to know how you can log into your Reliance Mutual Fund account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Reliance Mutual Fund account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar to search for Reliance Mutual Fund login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen, or you can just click on Reliance Mutual Fund. It will take you to the official page of Nippon India Mutual Fund. You can see that this has now turned into this site. So if you want to log into your Reliance Mutual Fund, you can log in to with this. So go ahead and click login, which you can see over here. It will take you to the official login portal. Go ahead and press OK. Write down your user ID in this box over here. After that, write down your password and make sure you check the password by clicking on this eye icon. Then make sure your user ID and your password are correct. So after that, you can enter the CAPTCHA, which is over here, and then click login. This way you can successfully log into your Reliance Mutual Fund account, also known as Nippon India Mutual Fund account. If you don't have an account yet and want to register one, go ahead and click register. If you have forgotten your user ID or your password, these are the links for you to recover your account back. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.